The humble potato, cherished for its versatility and affordability. Among the many ways to enjoy them are roast potatoes. We all love a good old roasty, well at least us Brits do anyway. However, times do change and the rising popularity of the air fryer gives us a much more convenient and often healthier alternative. While air fryers require significantly less oil and much faster cooking times, they also free up valuable oven space, which is usually at a premium, especially with Christmas approaching, which it is at the time of filming this video. Today I'll be parboiling my potatoes before I pop them in the air fryer, but of course you can skip this part if you're a little bit short of time. I do hope that this recipe will show you that the air fryer offers a good alternative to a traditional oven if needs be. Very quickly before I get started, if you've enjoyed the video or you found it helpful, do consider clicking like, or even better, that subscribe button. It really does help that good old YouTube algorithm suggest my content to a wider audience. So what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking. Grab yourself a bunch of potatoes. Here I'm using Mary's Piper, but any decent all-rounder potato will do. Here is the worst bit, and that is we need to peel them. Next, cut your potatoes into large bite-sized pieces. I want to share a small tip, and that is when you cut your potatoes, try and do it on an angle. This will leave sharper edges, helping your potatoes to turn all gnarly and crispy. You can do this ahead and leave your potatoes in some water until you're ready. This will help prevent oxidation. When ready to cook, place your potatoes in a saucepan and cover with some fresh water. Add a pinch of salt and bring to a gentle boil. Cook for between 5 and 8 minutes until the potatoes are just starting to soften. Drain in a colander and leave to steam dry for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat your air fryer to 200°C or 390°F. Next, add your steam dry potatoes to your pan. Add a pinch of salt and some extra seasonings if you wish. Here I'm using a pinch of garlic powder. Pop on your pan lid and give everything a good old shake to rough those edges up so they go all nice, crispy and gnarly. They should look something like this. Unfortunately, we do have to use a bit of oil or our potatoes will burn. Here I'm using a good old glug of olive oil. Replace the lid, shake again, and we are ready to roll. Add to your preheated air fryer and we're looking for that sizzle. Give everything a good shake up. It's important that potatoes sit in one single layer. Cook for between 15 and 20 minutes or until cooked to your liking. It's important that you shake the jaw on the potatoes about every 5 minutes. And here is the end result. I like to finish my roast potatoes with some roughly chopped rosemary. Considering I've only cooked these using about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and not a truckload of duck fat, I'm really pleased with the results. They are still pretty crispy on the outside and also fluffy on the inside. I guess it does show that the air fryer is a decent alternative to the traditional oven. Thanks for watching. I would appreciate it if you would like and subscribe.